Welcome back to KTN's Weekend at 1. Local manufacturers are calling on the government to provide incentives for local production to support a healthy competition for local production and against imported products, while launching new innovative machines for production of insulation materials for building and construction, together with packaging materials for exporting flowers and other products. A local manufacturing company says that having incentives like correct pricing of raw materials will make production affordable, which is in return reflect on the affordability of the locally produced products.
Since then, of course, we've seen entrants by competitors, and the field is very competitive now. And it became absolutely necessary for us to upgrade the machines that we were using. And as you've heard, we've now got machines that will be able to produce 9 times the volume, very much faster, 10 times faster, and therefore in a very good position to give the customers what they're looking for.
The government has been very keen in making sure that as much as possible, locally manufactured products are incorporated in our designs, in our consumption. That's why government keeps on talking of import duty, all those kind of things, to make sure we only import what we cannot get locally. We give our local manufacturers a priority first.
The new machinery will help us not just create more employment, but will help us serve our customers better in terms of better quality of products, supply them in a more timely manner, and the fact that we'll be able to handle 9 times the orders that we've been handling with our old machine.
The calls for a farmer legal framework to enhance agriculture